Acts chapter 6. As time dey go, when the apostles don plenty, the Jew people wey dey talk with Greek language come dey quarrel with the other countrymen wey dey talk Hebrew. Dem come dey complain say,
when dem dey share food, the Hebrew men dey suffer women when their husband don die.
so the 12 apostles gather everybody come say,
E no good make we leave God word when we dey preach, go put hand for food matter.
So make una look round, come choose among una 7 men wey una know say dey behave well. The Holy Spirit dey use well and wey get sense, so that dem go do this work for us, so that we go fit put our mind for prayer as we dey preach God word.
everybody like wetin the apostles talk. So dem come choose one man wey im name na Stephen, because the Holy Spirit dey use am well. The others wey dem choose na Philip, Prochorus, Nicanor, Timon, Parmenas, and Nicholas, wey come from Antioch and e dey serve God like Jew people. Dem come show dem to the apostles. The apostles put hand for their head come pray for dem. Na so God word start to spread, and the disciples wey dey Jerusalem come plenty well, and many priests come believe Jesus Christ. God bless Stephen well, come give am power to take do many wonders and miracles among the people. But some men come dey argue with am. These men dey worship God for one place wey dem dey call the Freedmen's Synagogue. Some of them come from Alexandria, Cyrene, Cilicia, and Asia. But these people no fit stand the wisdom and power wey Stephen take dey talk. So dem come bribe some men make dem lie say,
We hear when this man talk things when they against Moses and God law.
dem lie for Stephen head. So the people, the elders, and the oga dem for the law come hate am. So dem arrest Stephen, come carry am go the council. Dem bring people come lie say,
E don tey wey dis man dey talk bad things about Moses law and dis temple. We hear when he dey talk say Jesus Christ wey come from Nazareth go scatter dis place and he go change all the tradition wey Moses give us.
everybody wey dey the council dey look Stephen, come see say im face dey shine like angel own.